Okay, Nitas, I need you to do me a favor, okay? I know you're injured, but you're still brilliant sniffer dog. There's a little tiny little empty toot cartridge there, and that's small, guys. It's tiny. As you can see there. See that, Nitas? Okay, you stay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little empty cartridge. I'm going to chuck it. So it's landed over there somewhere. I don't know exactly where. I haven't walked there. Come. Find it. Find it. Find it. Good boy. Remember, guys, this is a very, very small cartridge, so not easy to find. You sure? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? What a brilliant dog. Here's your ball. Here,